How to embed Google Drive image in WordPress. So to start, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Google Drive, and then in here you'll have to select an image or video that you want to embed on your WordPress. So as an example, I'm going to select this video. What I need to do is to open this one, and then after that we'll have to go on the right part of the screen and then tap on these three dots. After that, simply select on this open a new window. And then in here, we'll have to repeat the process. We'll have to tap again on these three dots and then tap on this embed item. And then after that, it will automatically show us an HTML. What we need to do is to copy this one. After that, we'll have to open our WordPress. And then in here, what you need to do is to tap on the plus sign and then select this option, Custom HTML. After that, we'll have to paste the HTML here. And then if you want to see or view the video or image, all you need to do is to tap on this preview option. And as you can see, it automatically showed me the video. So that's how easy we can embed Google Drive image or videos in WordPress. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.